5:30 in the morning, 5:20 I think, and I just saw a shooting star. It's very bright. That's not a rocket, that's a shooting star. It just came out of nowhere and drops on the earth with different colors: blue, red, and orange. Lovely. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ganda ng setup ng camera ko. Nandun pala sa taas ng ulo ko yung moon. It's now the 5th day of January 2026 in the year of our Lord. And yet here we are again, jigging. Fishing. No bites yet. After 10 minutes, sana paparating na yung bite. Come on, fishy. Swallow my bait, fishy, swallow my bait. Swallow that jig. To see the face of God is my heart's desire. To gaze upon the Lord is my heart's desire. For God so loved the world, He gave His Son, His only begotten Son. Tapos na po ang Kapaskuhan. Back to reality na tayo. First Monday of the year. First Monday of the month. Jesus Christ. First Monday. Ay. With all those hangovers from the merriment, from the booze. But I am exempt with the booze. Hindi pala ako uminom nung season Wow, what a feat. I didn't drink. No alcohol beverages. I just stayed home, go to mass, and go fishing. Oh my God. 20 days din yun. More than. When the wife and the kid went to Australia, I'm home alone. At ang ginawa ko nung home alone ako ay eat, fish, rave, repeat. Eat, fish, rave, repeat. Eat, fish, rave, repeat. Yan ang buhay. Enjoy ka lang sa life. Life's too short. Kaya enjoy mo lang. Don't stress out yourself. Focus on the Lord and on yourself and on your family. And that's it. Mind your own and get out of someone else's business. Alright. No bites yet, so we reposition. Go back to 150. We are on the 100, 120 depths, so maybe we should consider moving deeper, even to 200. Dun tayo sa 200, 150 to 200 dun kabila. Sagwan. To see the face of God is my heart's desire. At sa mga followers ko, viewers ko na hindi taga Batanes, we are celebrating 75th year of yan Roman Catholicism in Batanes. Yan 75. Although matagal na yung mga simbahan dito, Espanyol pa nun, 1700s. Yeah, andito na sila. Yung mga simbahan natin built 1764. Aling simbahan nga ba yun? Kalimutan ka na. Alright, let's move. Alright. Row your boat. Pabalik sa spot. Walang kagat, bumalik ka na. Hindi tayo mawawala kahit wala tayong GPS, wala tayong map, kasi mataas ang buwan. Gumamit na lang tayo ng mga tala, mga mga bundok. Yan, nakikita ko yung Island of Denom. Pag nakikita ko pa yun, ibig sabihin malayo pa ako. So mamaya and then ang timba ng tukon sa patimba ng cathedral. The cathedral of the Immaculate Conception. Just past the other spot. Pero doon tayo sa mas malalim. Let's check this spot. If this spot will provide. Hindi ko pa pala na-testong bangka ko saka yung power ng rowing ko. Kung how many kilometers per hour. Test ko nga yun one time. Punta ka lang sa Navionics, turn it on. Tapos mag-row ka, kikita mo yung speed mo doon. So, we'll check that one time. Mabilis naman eh. So 200 meters na yun, 300 meters na pagro-row ko eh. Oh, minute. Mabilis. Favorable ang wind, no waves. Kaya medyo mabilis. Pero teka lang, let's save power.